Good morning, Tanika. Listen, is screen visible? We completed this sum. Listening to me? Am I audible, Tanika?
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry, it was on mute.
Yeah, no problem. It's completed. Is it
Yes,
completed?
sir. Yes.
Yes. Today there is some issue regarding keyboard. Bluetooth keyboard is not working properly. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work.
Maybe it's the charging.
Charging. I set a new battery yesterday,
Oh,
but I use manual. Okay, it's completed. This also
yes.
completed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This one, 60 centimeters answer.
Yes, sir.
I asked you one question to do. Did you try?
So I tried, sir, but I couldn't get it.
Which one? Which one? Is it that question? No, I think it's not. This
So
one.
it's the equation 25x minus 5 whole square.
Yeah, is it? Right.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
First of all, what are the requirements to find the equation? In this question, what is asked?
It's the equation 25x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square
Presents a
equals.
parabola, then its axis. Then its axis means then its full form, full meaning. Then
It's x.
equation of its axis.
Yes.
Equation of its axis is asked, right?
Yes.
And this is parabola. Axis means this is axis.
Yes.
Equation of this axis is asked. In some cases, axis is nothing but x-axis. In standard form, axis of parabola is x-axis only. But here it is not the case. Here, if the equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. If the equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, then equation of x is x only. Let me remind you all those cases. If the equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, then axis is x-axis. Do you remember? Just x-axis.
Yes.
If the equation is y square is equal to minus 4ax, then also equation of axis is x-axis only.
Yes.
If the equation of parabola is x square is equal to 4ay, then axis is y-axis.
Yes.
If the equation of parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay, then equation of axis is x-axis, right?
Yes. Yes.
Next four levels. If we take the next four levels, not levels, cases.
Yes.
Y minus k whole square is equal 4a into x minus h. In this case, equation of axis is y is equal to k.
Why? Yes.
But yeah, these are the 8 cases. There are 8 cases. In 8 cases, we can tell the equation of axis easily. But in
Yes.
this case, it is beyond those 8 cases. In this question,
Yes.
a parabola doesn't belong to any of those 8 cases. It is special case. It is
Yes.
a special case. In that case, we need to find axis equation manually.
Yes.
This is the given parabola. What's the basic definition for a parabola? SP is equal to PM. Do you remember in yesterday's class, first question, we found the equation of parabola,
Yes.
and focus is given, equation of line is given.
Yes.
L is given, S is given. Then we find the equation of parabola.
Yes, sir.
By using the concept, SP is equal to PM.
PM.
We
Yes.
use the concept there, SP is equal to PM. So basic definition, basic concept of parabola is SP is equal to PM, right?
Yes, sir.
Here, equation is given. We need to find what is S, what is L. It is S.
Yes.
It's the equation of line. From this equation, we can find equation of S and equation of line. Clearly, we can say, you can tell what are the coordinates of S and what is the equation of line? This is the axis.
3x minus 4y plus 1
Very
equals
good.
0.
Equation of line is
3x minus 4y plus 1 equals 0.
right. Equation of this line, as you told, 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0, right? What are the coordinates of S? S coordinates, easily
5 and 3, sir.
5, 3.
5, 3.
What is our task? Our task is
To find the distance.
equation of red line.
Yes.
Yes. Our task is to find equation.
Find the equation of the axis.
Right. Axis, right. You know, clearly it passes through 5, 3. If we want to do it quickly, we can verify among the 4 options which option satisfies the point 5, 3.
Yes.
Yeah, but we decided to do it straightforward. That is through process, right? See, the required red line is perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Previously, we learned two beautiful formulae. Those are parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Yes.
Is, how can we take a parallel line? Same x term. Do you remember this? Same y term, different constant.
Yes.
If we want to find the equation parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we can take that equation as ax plus by plus k is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
If we know a point passing through it, we can find the value of k.
Yes,
That,
sir. Yes.
the same way, there is another formula, perpendicular. Do you remember perpendicular formula? Perpendicular line?
Mod x.
Ax plus by
No,
plus.
y. Yes, sir. Mod of x plus y.
No. Just
No, not that. Okay,
parallel.
sorry.
In case of parallel,
Yes,
same
sir. It's
x
gonna be negative. It's gonna be bx
minus
minus ay
plus some
plus
k.
k equals 0.
Yeah. So we can take this red line, since it is perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. One point you must keep in your mind, that is axis is perpendicular to directrix. Directrix perpendicular to axis, axis perpendicular to directrix. That's the main thing. Since this axis, that is the red line, is perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0, the equation of this red line can be taken as, tell, 4x.
4x plus 3y
Yes.
plus c equals 0.
Different. Suppose, okay, oh, okay, yes, you wish it
Yes.
is right.
Yes, sir.
Since 5 comma 3 is on it,
Yes, sir.
we can plug in 5 comma 3 in this equation to get the value of c.
20 plus 9.
9,
29. C is negative 29.
c is equal to negative 29. So we can replace c by negative 29.
Oh, it's option 3, sir. 4x plus 3y minus 29 equals 0.
Very good. And there is another way. What is slope of this line? You know how to find slope? Minus x coefficient by
Negative 3 by
minus 3 by
negative 4.
negative 3 by negative 4.
3 by minus 4. 3 by 4.
3 by 4. You know, perpendicular slope. Perpendicular slope is reciprocal and opposite side. Do you remember that? If slope of a line is p by q, then
Yes,
the slope of a line perpendicular to it is
it's negative
negative q by p.
p. Yes, sir.
What is the slope of this red line, which is perpendicular to that black line?
3 by 4.
No, it is 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the slope of directrix. We want
Yes,
the slope of perpendicular line. It's perpendicular line. Perpendicular slope
oh,
is
negative 4 by 3.
very good. It is 4 by minus negative 4 by 3.
Yes.
It is m. It is x1
Yes.
you are well aware of the formula point slope form. It is point, it is slope. What's point?
Y minus y1 equals x minus x.
Very
M
good.
times x minus x1.
That's good. Y minus y1 is equal m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 means y minus 3.
5. Sorry, 3. Come on.
M means negative 4 by 3.
3. Negative 4 by 3
X
times
minus 5.
x minus 5.
Bring this 3 to left hand side so that it multiply 5y minus 15 is equal to minus 4x plus 20. Right?
Yes.
Implies 4x plus 5y. It's already 19 there. 19 or 9? 9. Sorry, it is 9 only.
Yes.
Yeah, minus negative 9 is there. Plus 20 will become minus 20. So total it is minus 29 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. My intention to go deep into this concept is definitely you will get clear overview and strong overview of geometric system.
Yes.
Yeah, it is useful for any applications. You are getting a strong overview of geometry. For example,
Yes.
the value of p is such that the vertex of y is equal to x squared plus 2px plus 13 is 4 units above x-axis,
Yes.
right? It is a parabola.
Yes.
The equation of the parabola is, in this case, I didn't start parabola class for Swapna. I will start today because I didn't prepare slides for her. Today I prepare and she's preparing. She's aiming for J advanced. She got 464 marks out of 470 in first
Yes.
year.
Yes.
X minus h whole square is equal 4a times y minus k. It is one of the case of parabola.
Yes.
Okay, in this case, equation of parabola, sorry, yeah, shape of parabola may be like this, which means its vertex is not origin and its axis is not, sorry, it's wrong. X has square, it is vertical. Y has square, it is horizontal. Keep that point in our mind. X has square, it is vertical. Y has square, it is horizontal.
Yes, sir.
This is parabola, right? Okay, first let us convert this equation into that format, right? The given equation of parabola is y equal x square plus 2px plus 13, right? Let us convert it into the standard form. The given equation of parabola is x square plus 2px, right? X square plus 2px is equal y minus 13. Clear?
Yes, sir.
We need one term to complete its square. A square plus 2ab is there. What is needed to complete its square?
Px square.
A square plus 2ab plus
Oh, p square.
p square is needed. Just add p square on both sides. Can do it, right? Now, see, in this case, do you remember the points? The first point, vertex is. Do you remember vertex formula in this case? Vertex A is equal to h comma k.
Yes.
Vertex formula is h comma k. H from here, k from here, right?
Yes.
Let us convert it. A square plus 2ab plus b square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square formula.
X plus p whole square.
X plus p whole square, right? It is x plus p whole square is equal y minus 13 plus p square, right?
Plus c square. Yes.
We haven't completed, we haven't converted, we haven't, converted right hand side into this format. If we have, if we can convert the right hand side in this format, we can tell what is A and what is K. But the terms are not convenient to convert to this format. Left hand side is okay. Conversion into the standard form. Left hand side is completed, right? Left hand side is actual standard form is x minus h whole square. Here, instead of x minus h whole square, it is x plus p whole square. That means x minus of minus p whole square. Clear?
Yes.
Left hand side is ready, but we are unable to convert the right hand side into standard form because the terms are not convenient, right? So one extra term p square is there. Anyhow, y minus 13 plus p square. Okay, leave right hand side. Don't think about right hand side. Just use the concept of left hand side. What is vertex? What is vertex of parabola, which is in this format? The vertex of parabola, which is in this format. If the parabola is in the format x minus h whole square plus is equal to 4a and y minus k, its vertex is, what is its vertex?
H comma k.
Very good. Here, what is h?
P negative p.
Yes. So vertex is equal, vertex a is equal to negative p comma something. Negative p comma something. But we are unable to fetch that something because we are unable to convert the right hand side part into the standard form. That's why we can write its y coordinate readily. Just take that y coordinate as y1. Let us assume the y coordinate is y1. So clearly left hand side is in that standard format. So vertex is partially, we can found, we just found the coordinates of vertex partially only, right? So vertex is negative p comma y1. Vertex is
Yes.
negative p comma y1, right?
Yes.
And I suggest, I am giving you one instruction, that is negative p is positive or negative?
Negative p is negative, sir.
Yeah, it is a wrong concept. Negative 7 is negative, no doubt in it.
Yes, sir.
6 is positive, no doubt in it. General concept is, when there is a negative symbol, generally we may think it is negative value.
Yes, sir.
But in case of variables, negative symbol before it cannot indicate its sign, or positive sign cannot indicate its sign, because it is variable. See what happens if the value of p is equal to -1, the value of p is equal to -1, then what's the value of negative p?
Negative. Oh,
P,
one
1. Is it a positive or negative? 1 is positive or negative?
positive.
1 is positive. So its equivalent negative p is also positive.
Yes.
So negative minus p doesn't mean it is a negative value. It can be positive, it can be negative. So in case of variable, we cannot say whether a value is positive or negative just by seeing its sign before it.
Yes.
To avoid this confusion, uh, in case of variables, if you want to say it is positive, for example, if we want to say x is positive, then we write this symbol, x greater than 0.
Yes.
Yeah, sign does not indicate its sign. It's yeah, plus minus does not indicate its sign. So if we want to say x is negative, we use the concept x less than 0. Clear?
Yes.
So what I'm telling is vertex coordinates are negative p comma y1. We are supposing
Yes.
y coordinate is y1, but x coordinate is negative p, right?
Yes.
It doesn't mean it is negative.
Yes.
It doesn't mean it is negative. It can be positive also, right? So its x coordinate is negative p, right? See, it is a parabola. See, there is a point whose coordinates are alpha comma beta. We discussed the same concept many times. What does it mean? This distance is alpha units.
Yes, sir.
This
And
distance is
beta unit.
beta units, right? The same way, vertex coordinates are negative p comma y1. That means what is this distance? Negative p1.
Yes.
This distance negative p1. What about this distance?
And y, sir.
Y, very good. Why are y1, right? But to avoid this confusion, it is very clear in the problem it is given. See, the value of p such that the vertex of so and so is 4 units above x-axis. Its vertex is 4 units above x-axis. Can you identify? See, it is x-axis, it is y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, something like this, right? See, what is 4 units above x-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 units above x-axis. It is also 4 units above x-axis. Getting me? What's the meaning of 4 units above x-axis? This is the meaning of 4 units above x-axis. This is the meaning of 4 units above x-axis. So
Yes,
4
sir.
units above
Plus 4.
x-axis means, right?
Yes, sir.
So as it is given, its vertex is just 4 units above x-axis. That means this distance is
X plus 4. I mean y plus 4.
see. Its distance is what is its distance? 4 units.
Yes, sir.
It is 4 units, 4 units, right?
Yes, sir.
So vertex is 4 units above x-axis. It is given. It is given that vertex. This is vertex. Vertex is 4 units above x-axis. So what about this distance?
4.
4 units, right? You're right. What about this distance?
4 units.
If this distance is beta, then its y coordinate is beta.
Yes, sir.
So its y coordinate, we need not take y coordinate as something y1 like that. Because
Yes.
in this question, it is clearly mentioned that the vertex is 4 units above x-axis. That means its y coordinate is
4 units.
Yes, it's y equal to 4 units.
Yes.
And finally, we need to find the value of p. Yeah,
Yes.
rest of the part you can do it. That is, the point negative p comma 4 is on the given parabola. What is the actual equation of parabola?
Y square equals
Y
4x.
square. Y is equal to.
Y equals root of 4x.
We need, yeah, no, just take the given equation, the first equation.
Oh, y equals x square plus 2bx plus 13.
Yeah, it passes through the point negative
Uh,
p comma.
negative
Yeah,
negative p comma 4, sir.
any parabola passes through its vertex. Any parabola passes through its vertex. So that equation passes through the point negative p comma 4.
Yes, sir.
So you can plug in negative p comma 4 on it.
Y equals negative p whole square plus
Yeah.
8.
Plug in this point in this equation and find the equation of p. Do it on the screen. You can do it on the screen.
Oh, I can do it in today, sir. So plug in negative p comma 4, no, sir.
Yes.
So it will be y equals negative
P is
p
equal
whole
to 5
square.
means 4
Oh, yes, sir. 4 equals negative p whole square
that is p square
plus negative uh, 2
times p times.
negative 2p square
Yes.
plus 13.
Yes. Yeah, you are right. Go ahead.
4 equals negative 3p square plus 13. So p square equals root. So 3 equals p square.
9 or 3. I think p square is equal to 9.
Sir, 3p square equals 9, sir.
Not 3p square. 9 to p square. See, y.
P square,
Y means 4
yes, sir.
minus p whole square is p square. You
Yes.
know, negative p whole square means negative p times negative p. Negative times negative positive p square. Right?
Positive p square, yes.
Yeah. Next 2px
2 negative p
13.
plus 13.
4
4 equals p square.
minus negative 2p square.
Oh, so you wrote p square. I wrote it as negative p square.
Yeah. Plus 13. Do it now.
So 4 equals p square minus 2p square plus 13. Negative 9 equals negative p square. So, yes, sir, it's 9.
P square is 9.
P equals P equals plus or minus root 3.
Plus or minus
Plus or minus 3, sir.
option 4.
Yes, sir.
And the easy way is just using this equation. If you use this equation, you can find it very easily. Do it again by using this equation. This also can be used. Use it. That means plug in my negative p comma 4 in it.
Negative p,
X means negative p. Negative p, positive p.
negative p, positive, negative p, sir.
Negative p, positive p. What is negative p, positive p? What is the minus?
Negative
Negative
p,
p, positive p. What is its value?
negative p.
Negative p, positive p. What is the value of minus 2 plus 2?
Oh, 0, sir.
That's why it is 0. Is equal Y means, what is Y? Y means 4. 4 minus 13 plus P square. 4 minus 13
-9.
plus P square. Bring this -9 to left hand side.
9 equals P square.
That's it.
Yes.
Now it's working. Now it is working. Keyboard. Sometimes maybe there may be loose contact. The vertex of a parabola is 2, 0 and its directrix is y-axis. The end of lattice rectum in first quadrant is it is x-axis. It is y-axis. Zero, 1, 2, right? 3, 4. See, the vertex of parabola is 2, 0. Can you locate the point 2, 0?
Yes, sir. On the axis.
Locate it. Locate it. Mark that point. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. It is vertex. If it is vertex and y-axis, its directrix. It is vertex and y-axis, its directrix. So, yes, this is a parabola. Right? For this parabola. Yeah. You know, lattice rectum means, do you remember the concept of lattice rectum?
Yes.
Lattice rectum passes through?
Focus.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Well, lattice rectum passes through focus. You only told the time and the distance. Yeah, the distance between vertex and directrix and that of vertex and focus is same.
Yes, sir.
And another thing, vertex is midpoint of directrix and focus.
Yes.
Can you mark focus?
Yes.
Mark focus? No, it should be two. This is vertex is midpoint. Vertex is midpoint.
Oh, then it's 4, sir.
Very good. It is focus, right? Good, good, good. It is focus. Yes, 4, 0 is focus. And it is lattice rectum. And lattice rectum. Do you know the length of lattice rectum?
4 is
4a. What is a?
the distance from 2 to 4. That's 2, sir.
Yes, very good. A is equal to. That means length of lattice rectum 4a is equal to
8.
very good. So this total distance is 8 units. This total distance is 8 units, right?
Yes.
And half of it. The total distance 8 units. Half of it. It is half of it.
4.
Very good. And last time I told you one thing. If this distance is 4 unit alpha and this distance is beta, then what are its coordinates?
Alpha, beta.
Very good. And it is a lattice rectum, right? L dash is lattice rectum. L dash is lattice rectum, right?
Yes.
L dash are the ends of lattice rectums, which is asked the end of lattice rectum in first quadrant. L is asked or L dash is asked. What is asked? L or L dash?
First quadrant, the end. Sir, L, sir.
L is asked, right? For this, we need to write the coordinates of this point. And just now we learned that we understand that this is 4 units. That means this is beta, right?
Yes.
And we know this is already 4 units. Can you tell the coordinates of L?
2, 4.
2, don't think 2. It is origin. We need to count the total distance from origin, not from here. It is origin. So we
4, 4.
very, very good, right? It's 4, 4. Its answer option.
Option 2, sir.
Yeah, I strongly suggest you, recommend you that whenever you get time, at least a few minutes, just go to the channel and watch the same class again within 24 hours, so that you can understand the concepts betterly, very easily. You will get insight of it. Yeah, you wrote something. What is that?
Sir?
Did you write something?
Oh, no, sir.
Is it the line?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, right. To indicate something. Anyhow,
No, sir.
so whenever you don't miss to watch again, same class. You know how to watch it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that we can understand better. See, do you know double ordinate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the length of the double ordinate of the parabola y square is equal to minus 8x plus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is at the distance of 32 units from the vertex. It is a typical sum and a lengthy process, but we have some patience to solve the sum. First of all, let's convert the given equation into standard form. What is given equation? Y square
minus 8x
plus 6y
plus 1
is equal to 8x minus 8. Sorry, 8x minus 1, right?
Yes.
Complete this square. A square plus 2ab, 2 into y into what is to be here?
3.
It is 6y. 3, very good. To complete the square, what is needed?
3 square.
9. 9 is needed. So you add
9.
9 on both sides.
Yes.
It is y plus 3 whole square, right?
Yes.
That means y minus of minus 3 whole square.
Yes.
It is 8x plus 8.
Yes, sir.
Take 8 common.
X plus 1.
That means 8 means 4 times 2. 4 times 2 into x plus 1, right?
Yes.
X plus 1 is x minus of minus 1. Now it is exactly the format of y minus k whole square is equal 4a into x minus h.
Yes.
What is a here? A is equal
2.
2. H is equal negative 1.
3.
Negative 1. X minus h. X minus of minus 1.
Oh, yes.
K is equal
Negative 3.
very good. Now it is a parabola. And I'm giving you instruction C. What are the coordinates of this point? Coordinates of this point are
1, 3, sir.
1, comma
3, sir.
just what is the point? 2 steps right side of this point.
2 steps right
2 units
side.
right side. 2 units right side of this point. It is the 2 units right side of this.
3, 3.
Yeah, 3, comma 3, right? 3, comma 3, right?
3, sir.
Yeah, you can understand one thing here. If you go right direction, 2 steps, that is added to this x coordinate.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what is one step above this point? One step
Above what
above.
point?
This is.
Oh, 4 comma, sorry, 3 comma, oh wait,
So above means
3 comma 4, sir.
yes, very good. Yeah, above means adding to y coordinate.
Yes.
Okay, right side is see, right side is adding to x coordinate. Going, yeah, I understand these 4 points clearly. Going right side is adding to x axis, sorry, x coordinate. Going left side is subtracting from,
Right, x coordinate,
yeah, going above,
adding to y coordinate,
very good. Going down,
and subtracting from y
very
coordinate.
good, very good. You know this very well. The same way, we are finding what is asked here actually, which is at distance units. The length of double ordinate. The length of double ordinate is asked. See, it is parabola. You know, in that case, Wittig's formula, Wittig's A is equal. Do you remember? We used it in this previous.
X minus h
Yeah.
whole square.
See, what is formula to Wittig's?
X minus h whole square equals 4a times
In any
y
case, in all the in all the 4 cases, Wittig's formula same. No change in Wittig's
Oh,
formula.
h comma k, sir.
Right. Wittig's formula h comma k. Wittig's A is equal to h comma k. What is h?
The vertex in the equation.
Here, what is h and
Oh,
what is k?
so h is -1 and k is -3. Sir.
Yeah. Wittig's is -1 comma -3, right?
Yes. Sir.
See, it is a parabola. Wittig's A is -1 comma -3, right?
Yes.
And actually, what is asked? You know, it is axis. What is asked? And see, which is at a distance, double ordinate. Double ordinate is, it is double ordinate. Length of double ordinate is asked.
Yes.
So what is asked here? Length of double ordinate. Red line length is asked, right?
Yes.
Which is at a distance of, see, which is at a distance of, see, which is at a distance of,
32 units from the vertex.
so this distance is given as 32 units.
Yes. Sir.
We need the length of red line, right?
Yes.
See, can you tell the coordinates of this point? From the point -1 comma -3, we need to go right side. Go in the direction of right side. How many units? 32 units.
Yes.
32 steps right side.
Plus 32.
For which?
For
For
x product.
very good, very good. Go ahead. You told correctly. Tell it.
31 comma
Very good.
-3.
Coordinates of this point are
31 comma -3.
-3. Coordinates of this point are 31 comma -3. You know, we discussed many times that on the vertical line, x coordinates are same. On vertical line, x coordinates are same. Do you know?
Yes.
This red line is a vertical line. So x coordinate of this point is same. Can you tell the x coordinate of this point? This point. What is x coordinate of this point? On vertical line, 31.
31.
Yes. We don't know y coordinate. Right?
Yes.
If we know y coordinate, we can find its the distance. For example, it is A, it is A, it is B, it is C. We don't know y coordinate of C. We don't know y coordinate of C. If we know the y coordinate of C, we can find the distance of BC, so that we can find the distance of CD. Actually, what is asked? CD is asked. Okay.
Yes.
So we don't know y coordinate of C, right? So that's why take y coordinate as y1. We are taking y coordinate as y1, right?
Yes.
Now this point is on this parabola, right?
Yes.
So this must satisfy the point 31 comma y1 or 31 comma beta. Better to take beta. Let this point be beta. Yeah, 31 comma beta. So 31 comma beta is satisfied. Okay, is satisfied by that equation.
Yes.
It satisfies that equation, right? Yeah, plug in 31 comma beta in it. Y square means
9 minus 8
it's
times.
not 3. It's not 3 beta.
Oh, sorry.
Beta square
Beta square
minus,
minus 8 times 31.
yes, 8 times 31.
Plus 6 times beta
243.
plus 1.
Sorry, 240, 248. 8 times 31. Right?
240. Yes, sir.
8 ones are 8,
Beta
8 is a
square
24.
minus 248.
Next,
Plus 6 beta
plus 1
0.
is equal to 0, right?
Beta square plus 6
Beta square
beta
plus
plus
6
6
beta.
beta minus 247 equals 0.
Yeah, you can solve it. Do you know there is an excellent website that is quadratic equation solver? Yeah, remember the coordinates of the equation of this quadratic equation, quadratic equation.
P
I'm
square
sure. I
minus
will show that. I'm showing this. See, online. It's very interesting. Tell the coordinates.
P square
That means 1. Its coordinates are 1. Next,
plus 6 beta
yes, 6. Next, constant,
negative 247.
negative 247. That's it. Finish it. Answer is,
Negative 19 and 13, sir.
yeah. You can use it to check your answer only, not to solve it, not to do for homework, right? And I'm not clear about this. Graph is there. It drew graph, but how can we see it clearly? It is just like
So
Desmos.
zoom out, sir.
You can change its units
No,
maybe.
sir. We need to zoom out, sir.
That graph is drawn here, but units, yeah,
At cursor, sir. Like an
it's not
put
clickable.
both the fingers on the keypad and reduce it at the same time.
Okay, something like this. Okay, even
Yeah.
the, yeah,
Oh, that's reducing the entire screen.
okay. Yeah, I tried this website to see its graph clearly. Maybe yeah. Since its values are high, for example, if you take small values, it can draw. For example, if I take 1, okay, even then it is not seen. Okay, anyhow. Yeah. See, what are the roots of it?
Negative 19 and 13.
Negative 99 and 13. That means beta can be negative 99,
19 or 13.
13. Which is suitable here? Negative 19 or 13?
13.
It is first quadrant 13.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, 13 is correct only. Negative 19 means this side. Of course, negative 19 is also correct, but it is in fourth quadrant.
Yes.
Right. Can you tell the distance between B and C? I told you one point. If x coordinates are same, then the difference between y coordinates is the distance. Yeah.
So is it 16?
Very good. It is 16. So this is 16. That means half of double alternate is 16. Then this also 16.
Yes.
Tell what is the length of double ordinate?
32.
Yes, you are right. The length of double ordinate is
32, sir.
32.
Option 3.
Option 3. And surprisingly, there is a shortcut to do it. That shortcut is just to teach this process. I didn't reveal that shortcut in advance. There is a shortcut to do this. That is 4 times the square root of a times k. Simple. K is the distance. It is k. We are well aware of the a. Let's answer.
Sir,
Yeah, 4 times
4 times 2 times 32.
the square root of 4 times the square root of 2 times
2 times
32.
32. 64.
Yes,
So 4 times 8, 32, sir.
yes,
This is easy.
yes. It is formula to find the length of double ordinate. Length of
Mm.
double ordinate formula is 4 times root of a times k, where a is the distance between vertex and focus. K is distance of double ordinate from vertex. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm giving this question. Take screenshot.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir, I didn't get the previous one. Can you? Yes.
Easy question, direct question.
Yes, sir.
Try to do it.
Yes.
This also. Try these 3 questions as homework. Okay.
I'll see, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Tanika. See you in the next class.
Thank you.
Good night.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Thank you.